Let's go. Oh, 27 cents for CERO. Oh, that thing finally moved. Huh. CERO, CERO. CERO, CERO. Yeah, Bitcoin looks, Bitcoin did well. It broke above 90, but then came back down. It's like 94 or something, like 400s. CERO. CERO, CERO. That one's still holding the 200, which is interesting. GME has actually done quite well. And then Bitcoin, right? The S&P isn't helping though. The S&P is really weak. Very, very weak. Bonjour, bonjour, Ange. Hello, hello. Pyro, good morning. JR, good morning. Wes, AO, good morning. First name to $3. Well, it's gonna need to stay above the 200 if it wants to. Alrighty. Jay, good morning. James, good morning. Good morning. Okay. Let me get some music. Get some music. Yeah, this is the typical like 29 to 30 cents usual resistance. The usual resistance. Spencer, good morning. How are you? Amanda, good morning. Dave, good morning. Azul, look at him smiling because GME is green this morning, guys. Look at him. Too bad those calls expired today, though, Azul. Otherwise, you could keep those things because it looks really good. Raz, good morning. You know, that's okay though. That is a-okay. Good morning. Yeah, so for AREN, I know you're asking for $3, but really it needs to stay above $1.85. Alrighty, I say $1.85 because I'm giving it some grace below 200. But what I wanted to see for this thing was it for it to stay in this range and then consolidate and then break to the upside. So $2.30, but then it went the opposite way instead. So it's trying to get back into the $2 range, which is good. So better stay above that. But yeah, so CERO, really nice run. It just has resistance at where it's at now. So just be mindful. But it that thing's done really well. And here goes 29 cents again, right? Mm. 29 pennies. There we go. Patricia, good morning. Ayo, Crystal, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, so Bitcoin had a nice little run this morning and then sold off with the S&P. So obviously that's not helping. So right back below 90. Right below 90. This is the most promising one going into the open, isn't it? CERO, CERO, CERO. Setups improve. Okay. There we go. Here comes 30 cents. And same resistance. Aaron, what's your position in ADA? What is your position in ADA? Yeah, so BTC retesting the 200 at 889, 897. GREE is still holding that 200 EMAs in it. Wow, very nice. Okay. Well, if you're playing or watching this thing, just make sure that it stays above the 200. So right around like 270, 275, 280. Alrighty. So if they can stay above that level, that's good. Some of these names were really fun in pre-market, but they're kind of dying now, right? Like TCBP was fun, right? Really good run on that, and then it just gave it all away. Dead. Straight back to the abyss. So quite a few of those names. And again, anybody playing CERO, just be mindful that there's resistance at 30 cents. Alrighty, it looks like AREN though is coming back above, which is good. Back into the range. AREN. That thing is up 200 and 260% still though, even with this dip, right? So let's see what happens at the open with this one. Maybe it is a good thing that it's setting off now. ADA, AREN, I'll take a look. 61 cents. Uh, a new theme song, Onyx. Ah, huh. ADA. 61 pennies. Yeah, so you're green in that position at least, which is good. The only concern for all of these names is they're going to be sitting at highs, right? This one is good though, just because it's breaking above the high from when Bitcoin initially hit its high. So from Sunday, right? So from Sunday till today, it's making a brand new high. So that's a really good thing, actually. Um, Alrighty. So if I were you, what I want to see now is again, you can clearly tell like there's a lot of resistance here, right below 70 cents, so 69 to 70, right? If you look all the way across, right, lots of resistance in that little range. So it needs to clear that level, right? So give it a bit more time. If it's not clear, if it's not breaking 70 cents, you might have to make a decision. And if it breaks 70 cents, then it just opened up more room to the upside. Back to CERO, trying to break 30 cents here. Good morning, Jay. Hello. Jamal, good morning. Lizzie, good morning. Good morning, carry on. Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Friday. Is anybody planning on watching the what is it? The Jake Paul and Mike Tyson fight? Anybody? Anybody? CERO practicing. Oh, you were Sunny? Okay, nice. Total gain of $5. I mean, it's green. It's green, so that's good. Good morning, Nikolai. Hello. Okay, let me scroll back up. You will? Yeah. Tyson, hell yes. Just I know, right, Lion? Yeah. But it's sad. Yeah. I hope Tyson cooks though. Yeah. I hope his age isn't a hindrance, you know. You have the link for it? No, it's on Netflix. Everybody can watch it. I saw the slap. uh Go into 100, so you're holding BTC team. I'll take a look. Yeah, I'll take a look. Tyson in 5 minutes, so in 5 rounds. It's pay-per-view. No, it's Netflix. I think it's Netflix, so everybody can watch it. Good morning, TK. Yeah, maybe Tyson just took that fight, you know, because he's getting, what is it? I heard like, yeah, I heard it's something like 20 million or something. Like he's getting 20 million and Jake Paul is getting 40 million or something like that. I mean, for him, I think like, you know, that's a lot of monies compared to his other fights. So of 2 minutes each. Okay, 2 minutes. That's not a. Anyways, yeah. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I wish we could watch that in Discord. We I don't know. We might be able to like, you know, watch it on in a different way, but I don't think Discord will let us. For stepping on his foot? Oh, okay. I see. I see. I see. I didn't see the foot part. Should be fun though. Should be fun. It was nice watching the episodes leading up to the fight. That was nice. It's nice to see. Yeah, Mike was training hard. The dude has other motivations more than the money, which is good. Giving bigger gloves his only advantage, which is the punch. Really lying? Dang. Yeah. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't work that way. Yeah, this Discord has things that block the screen, so you can hear the sound, but it shuts down the screen. Um, yeah. So yeah, if you try sharing a movie like a Netflix movie on Discord, it will work for like 2 seconds, and then like the algo will pick it up, and then it will shut it down. So that's the way of protecting. So I'm sure they're going to be. Good morning, Mayhem. T Robot. Good morning. La 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 la. Should be fun. Should be fun. Is CERO still just stalling at 30 cents? It is. Still stalling. Yeah, GREE does look good though. Like I like what it's doing. One of the favorites going into the open for sure. I wish that thing didn't have a stupid supply zone at that price, but if it breaks above 420, I think it's clearing most of that anyways, right? So GREE's done really well again, right up the 200 EMA, beautiful, right? So yeah, multiple scalps. Right, multiple scalps up the 200, which is perfect. So again, 420 is your next little resistance there. Let's see if it breaks above it though. Good morning, Chambers. Good morning. Good morning. 415. So that one's a favorite. AREN on watch just because it bounced up the 200 as well, right? You guys can see how important the 200 EMA is, though, right? Like, quite a few of these names, depending on how much you sell off into the 200, that level usually acts as a bit of a base, right? GME looks okay still. Azul. I'm kidding. It looks good. CERO is still trying to break out. So the three standouts, leave GME off the list. Three standouts. Don't worry, Azul. I won't do that to you. But CERO is definitely one of them going into the open. So here goes a retest of the highs of the day for CERO. Yeah, here goes new highs. CERO. 31 pennies. 31 pennies. Okay, let me take a look. I don't think anything has really changed on the calendar here, but nothing's changed on the watch list. Okay. 3140. Have a nice day as well, Srinivas. Have a nice day as well. If I'm butchering your name, sorry. Sorry. Sheesh. That's a really nice sell off for Tesla. From 360 all the way back down to the low 300s. There goes 32 pennies, guys, for zero. Zero. That thing will need to obviously come back and retest that 30 cents, but it's an okay breakout. And then GREE, same resistance, guys. Right. So no breakouts there yet. Maybe once the market opens, it can break out. Alberto, good morning. Hello. The S&P is hitting new lows of the day, so SPY is below 580 now. Slappity, slappity, slappity. Red, red, red. Obviously, that's not helping Bitcoin. Bitcoin wants to cook. The S&P is not helping though. Not helping at all. Maybe once the market closes today, Crystal, Bitcoin can cook on its own over the weekend. Because SPY is struggling. I mean, we did get that 600 we wanted though, right? Yeah, maybe that's what it's going for, Pavan. Maybe that's what it's going for. AJ, Ayo, good morning. How are you? I'm finding a new channel. No, GME is on the list. It's right. It's right there on the title, Azul. It's on the list. No, GME's done exceptionally well. Just make sure you take some profits, please, Azul. If you have a whole bunch of calls, make sure you sell some at the open, please. Not financial advice. Just because they expire today, right? Longer you hold those things, even if it's moving in the right direction, it's losing some of that time. So after, okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. There goes 33 cents, guys. So CERO is definitely the stock going into the open. That's a good thing and not a good thing at the same time because people will most likely sell this thing at the open. Most likely sell at the open. So good push though. Very good push. I think initially broke out above that 22 cents. That was good. Like right there. That was very, very good. There goes new highs of the day. 33.20, 33.30, 78%. If you're holding zero, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes if you're holding this one. We open in 9 minutes, guys, and we're sitting in the supply zone. So TKS monies. Yeah, you mentioned that earlier, I think. Well done. Well done. Patricia, monies. Well done. Yeah, just again, make sure you pay yourself into the open, right? Or you have a minimum take profit level. Like if that thing sits about 30 cents, okay, fine, right? Fine, fine, fine. And then yeah, ADA still has that same resistance. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Um, okay, perfect. Let's go, Dan. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you, Dan? See the violence on the S&P. Yeah, I saw TK. I saw. It's because we were throwing a little bit of hate, in that direction. That's why it said, you know what? Send it. But that's good though. Everything else that I look at into the open just looks highly sus. I still like GREE though going into the open, and then obviously CERO has done well. Done well. Yeah, the market's not looking too hot this morning, Dan. Is it time to buy the dips though? There's been a lot of yeah, there's been a lot of negativity, like coming towards the end of the year from analysts. Also, a lot of people will rebalance. So a lot of these market makers will rebalance their positions, right? This is the last 2 months, right? Rebalancing into the end of the year. But again, I think for most people, like the S&P hit that 600 level, which we wanted to hit. So don't think there's a major concern there that the S&P is selling off. It kind of needs to sell off. Tesla. Maybe tech stocks can go up today then. Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Happy Friday. 7 minutes. Question for you guys in the chat. What's your favorite name going into the open? Crystal is going to say Bitcoin, but what's your favorite stock or coin going into the open, guys? What are you paying the most attention to into the open? Agree. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Yeah, I like that name going into the open, especially if we can stay above $3.75 to 380. I think that's a good thing. And then if it breaks above 420, that's a good thing. My money is on cookies. Let's go. Cookies is always on high demand, Josh. Always on high demand. Dojalong, interesting. Fun, not fun. AREN, okay, yep. Again, as long as that one also stays above $1.85, $1.90, yeah, and then it's a-okay. So I would say my top three names going into the open. Obviously, CERO has hit resistance and it's selling off a little bit, right? So CERO, AREN, and then GREE, right? So GREE is probably higher on that list than So not putting it in, not giving it like an order, but yeah. So those three names for me for now stand out. Obviously, GME looks good as well, but GME is not gonna squeeze. You know what I mean? Azul, don't roast me, Azul, please. I'm just saying. But yeah, I should have brought my water with me before I sat down. Unbelievable. Anyways, Azul, I just mean like it's not gonna, not gonna. Yeah, it GM has done really well for you, Azul. From $19 to $20 to where we're at now. That's pretty nice. Um, a squeeze, that's a whole different conversation. A whole different conversation. But today, that is maybe next week. Just having fun. I know you. I know you are. I know you are. 4 minutes, guys. Bring on the chaos. Don't forget to smash the like, though, guys, if you haven't already. Uh, don't forget to smash the like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and all the other fun things. Uh, uh, let's see. Just wanted to drop by before you take off, Josh. Blessed weekend. Don't forget to share the blessing in your life with others. Lend an ear or lend a dollar. It takes a little to do a lot. Absolutely, Josh. Enjoy Rachel's birthday. Happy birthday, Rachel. Be safe, and we'll see you soon, Josh. Alrighty, much love. Later, later. Uh, uh, okay, there we go. Sammy, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. GREE at the open. Again, please be careful, right? I like that GREE is actually selling off into the open. So watch for 380 for GREE. If they can consolidate off that level, that'd be a perfect thing. Oh my goodness. Santa said, but first, let me send you guys some memberships. Let's go, Josh. Thank you very much. Lee, good morning. Cooking. Thank you very much, Josh. Really appreciate that. Congratulations, guys, if you got a free membership. Alrighty. Congrats. Yeah, yeah, that thing is slowly creeping up there, isn't it, Nikolai? Let's go. Yeah, Lee's been on fire. Tesla, Nvidia, AMD. Okay. Good. Yeah, those are good names. Looks like a redness day. Yeah, a redness. Yeah, so GREE, if GREE can find a way to consolidate into the open at 380, that'd be a good thing. 380 to 375. Alrighty, so I'd be watching that level. AREN is breaking below the 200 into the open, which is not exactly a good thing. Alrighty, and then CERO is going back up to retest at 33 to 34. So let's see if it breaks above. Tomorrow is your wife's birthday as well. Oh wow! Happy birthday to your wife, Dan. Amazing. So Josh's wife and Dan's wife almost have the exact same birthday. Wild. Happy birthday to the ladies of Hut Rates. You know? Yeah, amazing, amazing, amazing. Is your sister's birthday too? Oh my goodness. That's amazing. Happy birthday to your sister, TK. Wow, wow, wow. So CERO going into the open and then GREE going into the open as well. So one of these names might give us a pop. And we are open for business, guys. Here we go. Here we go. So yeah, let's see if this thing can consolidate. If GREE can consolidate, right? And CERO's like, don't worry, guys, I got you, right? There goes new highs of the day for CERO. Just be careful though. The typical chaos candle at the open, right? So here comes 35 cents. So that's looking really good. 36. There it goes. Right? 37. So looking really good. Congratulations if you're in this one, because I know there are quite a few of you guys holding this one. 39. Looking good. I mean, that thing is just gonna give us 40 cents, isn't it? There it is. Right? So CERO just broke about 40 cents. Dang, that thing is on fire. Congratulations if you're in this thing. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Because that's a really good way to start the day. It's got an alert for, okay, that's IBG alert. IBG alert. Just be careful though, right? If you're not in a position, because that thing will drop at some point. Alrighty, so just keep that in mind. So again, when you have a big candle like that going into the open, there's usually a sell off at some point. So just be cautious. Uh, 29. Yeah, I set an alert for that thing and it looked like it went off the alert, but I wasn't paying attention to it. So that's okay though. The S&P came back above 500, guys, right? Gap downs and then a bit of a pop. So that doesn't mean anything though. Honestly, it might end up getting slapped again. Eric, good morning. How are you? GME looks okay still, even though it's selling off a bit at the open, right? GREE is getting slapped. Right, so no curl at all, no bounce of the 200. You have to make sure that you wait to make sure that it's actually curling, right? If you look at, so when we talk about the 200 test, guys, there's never a time where like a stock is testing the 200 and we're like, oh my god, let me go buy the 200, right? Every single time you have to give it the first candle and you have to see what happens on the second candle to see if we're bouncing. You never just go ahead and jump into a position, right? So look in the middle right there, right? That took a few seconds, right? If you look at this test as well of the 200, the first candle was no go, right? It's the second and the third candle maybe that's holding above, right? Same thing if you keep looking to the left hand side, right? So you never just get into a position because it's testing support ever, right? You have to make sure that that support you like is actually bouncing. Otherwise, bridge, right? CERO though, CERO is just cooking. That thing said bye bye. If you're still in CERO, guys, type in yes in the chat because I know quite a few of you guys are still in this one. So there goes 44 pennies. Oof, what a beauty. What an absolute beauty. Absolute beauty for CERO. BENF. I see. I see. There goes 44. 135%. TK, you're still in that position? Monies. Yeah, it looks like it's halted down. Right? There's really nothing to see with this one yet. No consolidation, nothing, right? GREE still getting slapped, right? So there's no support, nothing at all on this one. And then the other ones just kind of look sus. GME with a nice pop there for Azul, so Azul is smiling. BENF, nice little pop as well. This one almost needs a bit of time to consolidate above $2 before it looks like a good entry though, even though it consolidated at the open at 170. So 170 would have been the play for this one. For now though, missed it. So it's going to need to consolidate above 2 and then it's 220. Edgar, you just did. Congrats. Yeah, that's a pretty good exit, isn't it? And 45 to 50 cents is usually a good sell for a stock that runs from like, below 20 cents. Nikolai, it's the only one you didn't look at? Yeah. Why? Why? This thing is going to mess around and erase all the gains it had. Isn't that crazy? This is why you want to be careful at the open. Like just give these some of these stocks a few seconds at the open, especially the ones that are going down. Right? Especially the ones that are going down. Is the S&P hitting new lows? Yeah, it's taking Bitcoin with it. It's taking crypto with it. Oof! My goodness, spies like today we see violence, guys. Today we see blood. Okay, let's see here. Oh, that's delayed. That's why. It's not gonna let me see. Do I want to buy some dips, guys? Come on, spy. Keep crushing. I think the market is a lot shakier now than it was, when we were buying dips like a week ago, a month ago. I think there's so much more weakness in the market now, but so much more redness. Blood. Uh, red card penalty. No, I just wanted to buy a little dipski. You know, every day there's a 1% day. Every time Spy gives me 1%, I'm gonna buy a little dipski. You know, just a little dipski. Has to be a big sell off though, 1 or 2%. So 1% or 2%, or close to it, like really close to it. Anyway, CERO is pushing back for the highs there. What's GREE doing? Looks like it's still selling off. AREN is unhalted, guys. Looks like you have a bit of a demand zone at 162 ish, so maybe you can stay above that. BENF still looks okay. GME went back to retest the double bottom. So these stocks are just kind of playing games here. I don't like any of them enough to give you a signal. Hmm. Let me take a look at Amazon actually. Uh, yeah, Amazon kind of needs to give us a retest though. Hey, yo, Martin. You were shopping for GREE? Yeah, just be careful though, right? Because that thing has a lot of weakness. You might be able to get lucky off like $3 because it's a nice round number, right, Nikolai? Yeah, you might again. It's one of those gamble plays, and hopefully you get lucky after a major sell off. Like that's a pretty big sell off. You would think at some point this thing would bounce, but still, like there's no signs of that actually happening, right? Look at that, and it just made new lows of the day. Is it about to go below $3? Three, two, one, and boom skis, right? So honestly, sometimes again, the yeah. Let's see what happens. Too much weakness there. And yeah, Bitcoin really got slapped there. CERO is finally selling off a little bit from 45 cents, guys. Hopefully you guys are taking some profits off the table. TK, hopefully you took some gains. Alrighty. The AISP halted up. Halted up. Yeah, looks like BENF is should be on the left hand side here somewhere. Yeah, there goes BENF. So BENF held $2, right? You can actually see that it retested $2 on a few of these wicks, and then your next resistance, right? So let's see if it can close above $2 now. Yeah, there you go. So 226 for BENF. That thing said, let me cook. Let me cook, Nikolai. It's going. Held 200 nicely, and now moving back up with MACD. Very interesting. Yeah, so ADA just for ADA, Eric, it's yeah, it needs to clear 70 cents. The ones I didn't pay attention to are cooking. Yeah, that's okay. It's like that some days. Yeah, it looks like AREN actually it bounced off that demand zone and it's halted up now. Maybe GREE can finally find a base, guys. Maybe that thing can finally find a base. But if you play with this thing, it's a complete gamble and it might work out really nicely. But still a gamble though. And then for those of you guys watching BENF, again, $2 is your next support. So big volatility. Yep. Ooh, that was a nice SPY dip, guys. Ooh wee, that was a nice dip on SPY. Can we get back above 590? This thing will most likely hit new lows again today, just because of the way that the candles are moving. SPY, but we'll see. And then for BENF, again, $2 is support. You need to let that thing consolidate and actually hold, though, right? So, but again, it came back to retest at $2. So hopefully it can stay above it. Hopefully. Everything today kind of seems like a pump and dump, doesn't it? It did, Bunny? Yeah. I know, right? Virus, those Amazon puts would have been nice, actually. Up to work. Have a green day as well. Well, I mean, have a wonderful day at work, Christo. Alrighty. Hey, yo, Grande Flights. What's up? What's up? Hello, hello. Yeah, let's see if CERO can get back above 40 cents here. 40 cents. Bitcoin. And then yeah, GREE's trying to stay above 3 now. Is to learn more about options, Eric? Okay, sounds good. Yeah. There's a video in the options channel as well. Yeah, there are lots of good videos on YouTube, right? Lots and lots of good videos on YouTube to help you with options. Yeah. Okay. Let's move on here though. Let me yeah. So $1. Oh, interesting. Uh, be down as well because of BTC. Potentially, yeah, yeah. Most likely, Eric. Right. That sell off at the open. Yeah, probably, probably. AREN is unhalted and it's right back above $2. Interesting. And it's halted again, obviously. This is just stupid at this point, you know. If this stock is going to be halted every time it trades, and then I don't see how we can even play with it. But anyways, your next obstacle there's 210 and then 220. Raven, good morning, good morning, good morning. What were my three stocks coming into the open? CERO, GREE, and AREN. So this one, GREE, and then CERO. So CERO was obviously the monster one, right? So that one did really well, and then retraced, retested the breakout, right, and the view up, and now it's bouncing back up, so that's good. And then AREN is just getting halted left and right, and then obviously GREE is still trying to find again. That's major sell off, right? Major sell off. Sheesh, Bitcoin wants to get back above 90. Like it really wants to get back above 90. So maybe this weekend is going to be a good weekend for crypto again. A good weekend for crypto. 128. Not bad though. Not bad, Gator. Not bad at all. CERO is back to 40 cents. Yup. $1.30. SPPL. Yeah, good exit, dude. Good exit. Good play. Good play, you. SPPL. Good consolidation. Mm. Strip might be. Yeah. Why do you think for crypto? I hope so. There goes Foxo, the usual pump, the usual daily pump on Foxo. La, 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 la. Dang, the markets look weak. So weak. So weak. Yeah, Amazon, yeah, we should have kept those. And then back to SPPL, guys. That thing looks really, really good, doesn't it? Looks really, really good. That was some really good consolidation. I've been slacking on these, like on the signals, slacking, and I've missed some really good ones too. Some really, really good ones. Sometimes the stream is honestly distracting from Nathan, good morning, hello. From me, sending signals to trades to reading you guys' comments. It is distracting. And it's annoying sometimes. Very, very annoying. Bitcoin is still looking very good. So get back above 90 BTC. Leave SPY in the dust, please. There goes Bitcoin. Almost at 80. There goes 89.8. Looking good. In a way, it's almost dragging the S&P back up with it. The S&P is like, take me, take me, take me, guys, take me. Azul, yeah, yeah. At some point, we're gonna have to stream 3 days a week, and then just for 2 days we just focus on trades and sending signals in Discord. Letting the members cook. because some of these plays I see them and I'm like, oh yeah, and then it annoys me. Doo, doo, doo. Um, uh, I would say so. Yes, Jay. Yes. No, I'm not. I'm not. It's more of a personal thing. I promise. Blame it on Jeff. I blame it on Dan. You know, because Jeff is good at multitasking. Aren, yeah, Aren is halted again, isn't it? Like this is just stupid at this point. You know, it actually went all the way to 215 and then dropped to 195 and then halted. ADA's at 68 now. Good, because that thing needs to get above that 70 cents. GREE looks like it's kind of consolidating though, isn't it? I don't quite trust it yet, just because it doesn't have a whole lot of buying pressure. Uh, but if it can stay above 290, there might be something there. The S&P is back to 590, so that's good, right? And then BTC is almost dragging it up, like I said, dragging it up. And BENF lost all those gains. CERO looks good though, right? We're back to 41 cents here. CERO of 760 average. I see that's a really good position, by the way, non-financial advice. Congratulations. Have you thought about like closing half of the position? So that means like you're basically writing free monies. Have you thought about that? I was yesterday, Nathan. I was. Yeah, PP hit new all-time highs, right? So we were watching. So CERO looks good, and so does SPPL. A dollar 50 for resistance for SPPL though. $1.50 and then 45 cents for CERO. And virus and trust on the signals. I know, right, Jay? I know, I know. Let me take a look. Actually, let's see what SPPL just hit new session highs. Yeah, very good, very good. Virus, yeah, no, absolutely not. That's crazy, virus. Let's go, crypto. Thank you for the super chat. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ayo, there he is, guys. The Australian criminal. Bryce, absolutely, always. Dan, unbelievable. Good morning, Grim. Well, good evening for you. Yeah, don't forget to smash a like, guys. Yeah, smash a like if you haven't already. Please and thank you. Uh, uh, yeah. What's Bitcoin at now? Yeah, the S&P just seems like it's playing games there. It's almost over reliant on the S&P. There goes GREE with the sell off. Everything just seems to be hitting resistance and getting slapped. Resistance and slap. Uh, okay. Yeah, AMD. I wasn't expecting that from AMD. AMD really got slapped. Oh, slapped. Uh, uh, Grim, you know where you are? Let me send you a gift. Send you a gift. Addicted. Luna is running now. Yeah. From 1010 to 1150. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, $10 is a really good spot for Luna. Really good spot. That's why I mentioned to Alan yesterday because I know he likes to play stuff like that. Um, hopefully he's still paying attention or scalping that one. Hopefully. Sheesh. My goodness, these markets are all over the place. You're loading MU and AMD. Okay, sounds good. Very much addicted. Yeah, yeah. There's really not very much that I like today, honestly. Even like the options are, they're just playing games all over the place. Everything is just back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Foxo 18%. That's not a whole lot, is it? Options wise today was spy puts at the open. Yeah, I'm sure you made monies on that already, right? Yeah, the only thing I have right now is Tesla. Like I posted in the options alert channel, right? So that thing is just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Hey, Rob. See, like Tesla was just on the verge of breaking out and then came right back down. Like it's just going back and forth. Rob better pump Tesla. You better pump it, Rob. Anyways, CERO is back about 40 cents or back below 40 cents again, just going back and forth, right? So same resistance at 45 cents. SPPL again, sell off. A bit of support at $1.30 though, just because that was the breakout area. And then AREN is halted again. Garbage at this point, honestly. UAVS is looking good. Okay. At the open, 100% it was sweet. You're still, yeah. Let's go, virus. Well done. Well done, well done. Now I need Tesla to go up though. Otherwise, yeah, that thing is showing too much consolidation in that range. Too much. I no comments. No comments. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Yeah, that's exactly the Raven. That's the gift for Grim. He's like, I need it. I'm addicted. The S&P. Oh yeah, SPY just hit new lows of the day. So those puts you have, TK, those puts should be printing now, right? Printing monies. That's why the market is like that. Yeah, that's why the markets are like that, because of that's why the like the other options we're looking at are all over the place, all over the place. Yeah, there you go, TK. TK is making monies without knowing it, guys. Making monies without knowing. Kind of feels like it's either going to be SPPL or it's going to be CERO, isn't it? It's going to be one of the two. Is it really is grim. Yeah, they banned me all over the place. Yeah, bit of a slower day. Wrong number. Here we go. It went to 90. Oh my goodness, 90. Damn. Is it halted up or down, Sam? I'm not sure. I haven't looked at that this morning. Microsoft 440s. Okay, that sounds like a Dan play. Dan is going to be all over those Microsofts. Actually, Dan has Microsoft already, so. Uh, Coming out with the crypto? Never. Is this thing halted up again, guys? It's halted up again. What a disaster. SPY still getting slapped. Lots of resistance there. SPPL is looking like the only name that's actually testing resistance, isn't it? It's the only name that's actually testing resistance. Funny grim. Yeah, I don't think he will, Eric. I don't think he will. Hmm. Here we go. Dang. That's crazy, virus. That's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Tesla doesn't know if it wants to, hit the stop loss or squeeze, but it's doing a good job holding that bottom though. It just doesn't know what it wants to do. Just doesn't know what it wants to do. Does it want to squeeze or hit stop losses? Do, 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 do. CDT. Okay, sounds good. Do, 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 do. CDT. I can see what you're looking at. See what you're looking at there. Yeah, that looks okay actually. XRP. That's actually quite nice. Wow. That is actually quite nice. 2 days ago, when we were talking about XRP on stream, it was at 50.56. We just had to trash it a little bit, just give it a little bit of trash talking, and that's all it needed. There we go, Tesla. There we go. There we go, guys. My goodness, Tesla is all over the place. Come on, Tesla, show me the monies. Show me the monies. Time for spy puts. Give me new highs of the day, Tesla. Don't you dare double top. Otherwise, I'm going to fight virus. You don't want me to do that, right? Yeah, that's what I thought. Come on, you can do it. Get above 320. Do it for virus. There we go. There we go. There we go. uh, yeah, some 220s. Yeah. Yeah, that to me, there goes CDT as well. So 10 cents maybe. 10 cents resistance on this one. Grim. uh, Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Uh, Archer, yeah, double tops. Anyways, uh, it is Dan. Oh, that's amazing. Huh. Very, very nice. One of these days, I'm gonna message you, Dan, and be like, "Hey, Show me, show me, show me, show me. Yeah, seriously, virus. Seriously, that thing. As soon as I ventured higher, they said thanks for coming. You can take your 15% and move on. Unbelievable! What a stupid thing. Anyways, green is better than than nothing. I was hoping for a breakout, but clearly the markets are getting slapped. So. Ah, that's funny, Dan. Was that green? Exactly. So there you go. So we'll take baby greens on Tesla. Stupid. Yeah, that thing wanted to give us a breakout, but it didn't. But it did not. Yeah, I think the only thing we're playing around there is with the SPY downtrend, right? That's not helping anybody. Not good for anybody. Yeah, no, SPPL has been one of the only promising names here, with everything else pumping and dumping, right? So yeah, SPPL looks good. Raymond, XRP and chill. XRP. Yeah, Raymond, how are you? Yeah. Raymond is the XRP OG. XRP. Yep. Let's see. Other than that, everything else still looks a bit sus. Grim, yeah. CDT might be one of those names to watch closer to the end of the day, especially if it's still just consolidating at the bottom here. That would be nice. So anything above 8 cents. What's up, Raymond? Hey yo, hey yo. Just wanted to stop by and say hi and say this. Yeah. No, XRP has done really well for you, so congratulations. Congrats. Yeah, it's on the left hand side there. So it hit 91.65 and then backed off. For a lot of you guys holding XRP, I think you'd like to see that thing get above $1 because it's been a long time, a long time. So that would be good. Yeah, TK, it finally bounced. AMD's 160s virus. Okay. Uh, oh, Gen 1725. Okay. Gen 17. Yeah. Yup. So yeah, that thing is cooking. Cooking SPPL. Cooking, guys. Is anybody holding SPPL in the chat? Type in yes if you are. That was a good breakout too, wasn't it? So as soon as that thing broke above $1.50, it just exploded. Yep. Is it time to scale in? No. Right? So this is not an investment that you're scaling into. Amanda, you just sold it. Yeah, people are selling it, so it's not time for you to be scaling in, right? And there goes the drop. So maybe a retest closer to $1.50 or something, right? And then you can consider scaling in. But when it's sitting at the top like that after a major run like this, you don't want to do that. You don't want to be doing that, please. Please and thank you. Red. La, la. Exactly, Grim. Exactly. So that thing needs to consolidate above $1.50 if it wants to push up more. Yes. Beauty. Yeah, Gator sold at 170 as well. So a lot of you guys are selling in the 170 range. '170 range. You just sold as well, Queen? Yeah. See, that's the problem, right? A lot of you guys are selling, and then some people are looking to get in. You got out too early, but you made a nice little profit. Yeah, Chris, another green day for you though. And so you're keeping that green day streak consistent. Well done. Well done. DXY. There goes $1.75 again. $1.75. So as long as it stays above $1.50, as long as it stays above that 150, a-okay. A-okay. Meaning, uh, hmm, okay, perfect. A little bit of resistance there. Yeah, DXY is actually pushing there. Yeah, DXYZ, Destiny Tech. Oh, that's actually a really good breakout. This one's a bit more expensive though, so I don't think there's a whole bunch of people paying attention to this. But and then again, $1.75 is still resistance for SPPL. It's one of those psychological levels, 175 resistance. What's CERO doing now? Nothing. Yeah, today is other than like SPPL, today is a very weird day in the market, and like on the large cap side, on the momentum stock side, SPPL is the only thing saving us today, saving us from chaos. Chickens. House money considering moving. Yes, yes. Or like 149 or something. But yeah, you should be moving the stop. Yes, that you should be moving the stop loss up, right? So wherever that is, especially if you're riding house monies now. So again, it needs to find a way to stay above $1.50. 9 consecutive green days. Well done, Chris. Well done. Again, Chris is someone that has gone from like struggling guys um, to paper trading, right? To nine green days in a row. So, it just goes to show, like, again, start small, right? Start very humble. You're gonna see people make a lot of money, and you're gonna be like, damn, how come, how come, how come? Someday someone's gonna watch Chris and be like, oh my goodness, good for you, Chris. You're doing really well, right? People don't quite understand the journey, you know? Everybody has to go through that process of like struggling and finding a way to make it work, right? And putting the ego aside and starting really small, paper trade, paper trade, paper trade, right? And then seeing some progress, you know, and then just building from there. Yeah, Mr. Fix It. I've talked about my losses in the past. Um, yeah. uh, there you go, Chris. Right? Education, the right tools, the right community, the right, yeah. Luna is at 1150 now. Nice. Very, very nice. Tesla got slapped from the top there. Uh, so invested over 15. On the process, not the monies. Exactly, Chris. Exactly. Well said. Yeah, Abdi. Quick scalps, especially on a Friday. You need a dollar. You need a dollar iron. Need that thing to break above a dollar. I'm surprised AREN isn't halted again, guys. It's at $2. AREN, or however you want to pronounce that. CERO is bouncing again. Yup. Yup. It's actually freeing in a way. Yeah, it is. Yeah. See if I can pull up a chart here. NVIDIA puts. Let's go, virus. Well done. Well done. Well done. Here comes SPPL though to retest that 150 breakout. You might actually have a dip that goes all the way to like 145 if it decides to sell off. So between 150 and 145, that would be the level I'd be looking at. In 3 months, knowledge is power in the game. Yeah, join us in yep, absolutely. Absolutely, right? I went from being down $30,000 to being up over 30 in 3 months, right? Knowledge is power in the game. Absolutely. Absolutely. So, yep. Is it halted up now? Yeah, 209. It's actually done a good job of coming back, even though it's like getting halted every 2 seconds, though. Every 2 seconds, halties, halties. Maybe Spy can give us -2% today, guys. -2% today. -3%. End the week bloody. Less stressful. Luna 1160. Let me. Yeah, there we go. MACD and of course level 2. Tesla XRP. Okay, look, it looks like we hit $1.51 and then bounced back up a little bit, so that's good. I think we need to reclaim the 9 EMA for you there, the Grim. You're still in it, right? Not chicken, huh? Yeah. Nvidia 300%. Yeah, the market is getting slapped today. Slapped. Slapped. 60%. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, let's see if we can stay above. CERO still looks a bit promising, doesn't it? Especially if it can get above 40 cents. XRP with a bit of a sell-off though. So 91 back to 86. 86. I'm just going to leave it on SPPL for now because this kind of seems like the most promising name along with maybe CERO. This down, but so tempting. Yeah, exactly. There goes 162. Like a light, like a light, like a light. Sheesh. You're still in those 5 puts though, right? TK? Spy putties. Puts. 149. There you go. Right. So it's always going to be safe when you go below like a psychological level like that, Gator. Right. So, right. So a stop loss at 149 instead of like 155. It gives you a bit more room and it's below level, right? Because people like to buy. People love to buy, right? Off these numbers, like, oh, what do you want? I want $1.50, right? So then it bounces off $1.50 and you're safe. Um, Now just make sure that if it goes below that level, it's creating lower highs and lower lows. That's a problem, right? So now that stop loss would be good. Um, what was the catalyst for this one again? I don't quite remember actually. Not that I really care what the catalyst was, but thank you, Nikolai. Thank you. Yeah, the 400K contract. Yeah. What's the that's why. That's why. Not a big contract, but for them that's a big deal. It's getting ugly for you. Yeah, the markets is so weak, so weak. Let me look. MU so weak. Oof. Whereas I scared, right? That hundred had to hold. That hundred had to hold. Um, Now that it's below 100, it's looking a bit sus because that thing has room all the way down to that double bottom. You see what I mean, though, virus? Yeah. Right. Let me look at a different time frame because this daily is pretty scary. That is scary, right? So again, this was the 4 hour, right? We had that double bottom right there, right? 99.50 to 100, right? That was okay, and it bounced off that level like yesterday, but today it's looking a bit scary. Um, yeah, see, that was a double bottom, right? Like this level was you like I completely understand why those calls were a thing because this level was good. It bounced off there once, bounced off it again, but then now it's showing way too much weakness. So if you look at the 4 hour, you're looking for like 94, and then you're looking for like 86. Yeah, it was the overnight virus exactly. So what I would do though, virus is um, I would make a decision at the end of the day because you never know, right? Like it might look weak now in this candle, but then for some reason at the end of the day it rockets right back above that level, and then you're safe. So, but if at the end of the day though it's still looking this weak, then you might just have to say thanks, goodbye. You might just have to shut it down. You know? Yeah. I think honestly, virus. This is why like I like the day trades more than like swing plays because when I take a day trade I'm like, okay, you know what, this is my day trade, this is what I'm going to do with it, blah 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 blah. If I take a 10% loss, fine. If I lose $100, fine, right? I'm going to go take another day trade, I'm going to make my money. Sometimes when you hold these stocks overnight, it just brings an element of risk that you just have no idea about, because then it gaps down and you're like, oh, what do I do now? Anyways, yeah, it's okay though. Some pretty nice swing monies does. Some nice monies on swings. We back to $1.50 again. Yeah. Yeah, that 49 might hit this time for SPPL. You can see some people buying off 150 though, but it's still looking like, yeah, there it goes. There it goes. You know what's interesting now? There's an uptrend at $1.49. Hmm. It might actually, yeah, it might actually bounce right off 149 because it has an uptrend and the 50 is sitting right at that price. For CERO, yeah, it needs to get above $1 at 40 cents, Chris. I hate sweating on swings over the weekend and in the evenings. It ruins your life. Not not doing them anymore. Yeah, when you do swings, you have to be very mindful of like the ones you do. It has to be a swing that's still sitting at the bottom. Less risk of offerings and a catalyst. They're not about to announce earnings. Maybe like you have to really try and limit the risk because if not, you can just wake up the next morning or wake up in early in pre-market and play the same name. So unless you're swinging like a more reliable stock, then that's a different question. But some of these momentum stocks, you swing them and you wake up in the middle of the night with someone standing at the edge of your bed with a stick. It's gonna be your spouse as it crashes 50. I'm kidding, by the way. Picks them up virus, hopefully. Hopefully. 47. Interesting. At the back of exactly virus. Now I'm gonna have nightmares. Sorry, Grim. Sorry. Grim has pretty good swings though, but and some of those swings too, Grim, like they're perfect. Everything aligns, and then you still get sometimes you still get slapped, which is really frustrating. But man, that's just the risk you take, right? When you swing a play, just the risk you take. Let's go. I know, Grim. I know. I was annoyed about that one for you too. All it had to do was stay in that range for a little bit. Nope. It just had to be like all the other stocks and just stay there, relax for a few, for 30 minutes, an hour. Nope. Nope. It's a break even. That's crazy, Grim. From 20K. Damn. See that's another thing too, Grim. Is maybe just on some of those plays just put like random sell limits. Especially in pre-market when you can't have a stop loss, then just use a random sell limit. Because I'm sure anything in your dreams would have been hit. $10,000, 15, right? 20 would have been hit. That's frustrating for sure. Very, very frustrating. Yeah, that really sucks. You had it at $10. Dang it. Oh my goodness. Dang. Yeah, you were asking for the magic number. And it peaked at 954. Yeah, you were asking for that magic number, the magic 10. It looks like SPPL is still doing a good job of holding $1.50 actually, so that's not bad. You know, not bad at all. Lesson learned, yeah. Maybe like half and half, right? Like a reasonable number, and then the other half like your dream number. Yeah. Stuff like that usually doesn't happen though, Grim. Usually it's like, okay, you know what, we hit 950 and then we sit at $8, $7 for an hour, and then we curl back again and test a double top. So it's just frustrating the way that it happened. And again, there's nothing you can do. November 15th. Okay. Nothing you can do. Don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chats and come join us in Discord. Alrighty. Alrighty. I was thinking of doing like an impromptu class this weekend, just a Q&A. Nothing like crazy, right? Like if you guys had questions, we could do one, but maybe we will, right? And then there's the Jake Paul and Mike Tyson fight tonight. So we can watch it. We can watch it together too if you guys want. So we'll figure out a way. No. No, 24. Okay. Hmm, interesting. Mm, mm, mm. Here we go. Hey, Wolali, what's up? What's up? I hope so. Yeah, virus probably. Probably. I hope he smacks him though. Yeah, but it's probably I don't know. It'd be interesting to watch though. Mike Tyson looked good. He looked good in that trading Netflix video. Dude looked good. It was interesting to see him train and then see like Jake Paul train. It wasn't a big like it wasn't yeah, it wasn't the same. Official, yeah. Yeah. He looks skinny and weak. I don't know if I say skinny and weak, but I think the biggest factor is the age thing. I think it's the age thing. On Tyson, Jake Paul is the favorite odds. Yeah, Azul, you're actually betting on him. Okay, you don't put a against a 20-year. Yeah, yeah, yep. One Piece, no, it's just consolidating above $1.50. So it's gonna need to break back above $1.62 if it wants to cook. 162 if it wants to go. Yeah, virus. Yeah, yeah. I think yeah. I think everybody wants Tyson to win, but I think the more they see, Jake and those videos, I think the more they realize like it's not that simple. Also, maybe that it's rigged, but anyways, who knows? Who knows? Mike, what's your question for TCBP though? Because last I looked, it looked like rubbish, but AKTS with a bit of a pop there. Yeah, no long fight. Yep. You are Amanda. Okay, sounds good. Well done today. Okay. Especially on a Friday, Amanda. Nothing wrong with that. So have a wonderful weekend as well, and see you. Maybe if we do a crypto stream this weekend. If not, then next week. Alrighty. Bye. Yeah. No, it'll be interesting to watch though. Bankruptcy, Grim. Okay, sounds good. Yep. The good thing about SPPL though is that it's holding that 150. Even though it had like one wick below, it's still closing all these candles above. Exactly, virus. Exactly. Yeah. Is anybody actually placing any bets? I think Azul is, but yeah. I know virus. Yeah, I'm telling you, they wrote Jake Q's Mike. Yeah. Virus says don't bet on Mike Tyson, guys. Was yeah. I never actually saw him fight Mike Tyson. Until in the mouth, investors withdraw appeal and legal motion against Elon Musk, accusing him of rigging Dogecoin and conducting insider trading. Oh yeah, right. So they only withdrew the motion after they made money back in Dogecoin because Dogecoin pumped. Right. Yeah, that's nice money. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah, 20 million for like how much was a fight for like Mike Tyson back in the day? How much was it? Like 5 million? He might have been making the same amount of money though back in the day, but how much money did he make like when he was fighting back in the day? Because I'm sure he would have looked at that and said, "Oh wow, wow," and he was getting robbed. Yeah. And then he was gambling with the monies too. Was 16 million? Okay, 15 seconds. Yeah, he is living his life. He really was. I mean, he did say though, like watching that video, he did say like the fight was the party, right? Like training is where and then the actual fight is the party. So lying, uh, that would be interesting. That would be 16 in our contract money and 7 from the. Oh, okay. So he was still making good monies then. Yeah. Okay. That's different. uh, Varys, so you better go to bed early today so you can wake up like at midnight or 3 a.m. in the morning. CERO hasn't fully given up yet, has it? Nope, not yet. In 90 seconds, wow, dang. Okay, he was making good monies. Making good monies. Yeah, let me actually that's a pretty if you look at the S&P, there's a nice retest like 585. Like look at the 4 hour on the S&P. Actually, I don't know why I'm saying look, but when I can look, right? I just wanted to look at the S&P there on the 4. Yeah, if you look at that 4 hour time frame, this was that last breakout, right? This is that breakout. We had to come back and retest this level at some point, right? If you look to the left hand side there, right now on the right hand side, it looks like we're coming back for a retest. So that would be the first line of defense there for SPY. So let's see if it can bounce off that level. Let's see if it gets slapped off that level. Uh, let's see. Let's see. Yeah, for some reason, I just thought Mike was making like back in the day, right? 2 million on this fight, 5 million on this fight. So then this would be like a crazy payday for him. But no, dude was still making good monies. Good monies. Uh, and that's almost a wow. Okay, crazy, crazy. Yeah, no, this one's on Netflix. I don't know how much they're getting. I'm sure Netflix is paying them too, but yeah. T-pad Grim? Yeah. Uh, how much is that though, Rob? Like with that code, how much of a discount is it? It better be free, Rob. I'm kidding. Because that would be a good code. Yeah. No, 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 no. So when I looked at it, it was $500 for an account. For an account, Dan. Sheesh, that's way too much. Yeah, way too much. You know, that's all I'm saying. Like the already funded account, Dan is what I mean. See, like I've yeah, I've heard that name Jake Paul for so long. I didn't know he had that much monies. That dude has a lot of monies. That dude has a lot of monies. Come on, Dan. Yeah. Yeah, that is pretty impressive though. To go from like just a dude that was making like stunt videos and funny videos to finding a passion and going all in, right? That's ooh. Yeah, the S&P just had a nice little bounce there. If you look, especially if you look at a smaller time frame, so it looks like kind of consolidating. There's still a little bit more room to the downside though. Like if SPY struggles, there's slap. Right, so there's still a little bit of room to the downside. Anyways, SPPL, which has honestly been the only hope, is looking better, right? So yeah, SPPL. So that 150, for those of you guys waiting for the dip skis, well, you had the 150, right? You had the 150. There you go. There goes 170, and there's a smile on Grim's face again. GORV is halted up with that news. Remember that? And in high school? Oh. Dang, yeah. I remember that. Big smile. Let's go. Yeah, let's see if we can break above that double top now. This has basically been the only hope, after the market opened and everything else sold off. So you have that double top coming up though, right? 175 is still resistance. So it's going to need to break out if it wants to go. Me? No, I remember that was a big thing, right, Virus? I do better. Oh, you? Yeah, remember that was a big thing though. Everybody was talking about that, and never really cared to look. But you're ready to get out? Okay. 168. That might have been a really tight stop loss, but you're happy though. That might have been a very tight stop loss, but you should be okay. Nice money's Grim. 22 to 68. Beautiful. Very beautiful, Grim. Congratulations. Yep. It just needs to break out if it wants to go. Needs Z breakout. Okay. Interesting. Okay, there you go. 173. And there goes the double top. ZW, yeah, very slow day today. As much as like the scalps all over the place, it's very slow. Very, very slow. My goodness. Maybe I just need to add some one-on-ones today. Is anybody watching that? Never mind. I'll do that later. I will do that later. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Oh, I like it, Grim. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. I like it a lot, Grim. Fire. Too many screens. No, I like it. Yeah, sometimes you need like constant screens, like your broker needs one, right? Constantly open. And then Discord needs one, right? Constantly open. And then the rest you're just kind of looking around, playing around. I like it. I like it. I know, right, official? Come on, just break out already. Give us hope. Give us hope. I think so. I think so. Maybe like a year ago. Mine isn't that special. Like it's I just have four across, right? Um like mine isn't that special. Not that special. Yeah, spy should be closer to support than it is resistance. But if it breaks below that low, then we're going for 585. Virus, yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's playing a lot of games there though, Troy. A lot of games. I don't know if it's actually gonna end up bouncing or just get slapped again. But we'll see. Yeah, the that 175 does not want to let this thing go, does it? It does not. And there goes the S&P settling off again, right? Like it just looks like it's playing games for now, Troy. So I don't think it's out of the woods yet. Not out of the woods yet, Troy. Probably end up selling off again to new lows. Missing all the action. Yeah, $200 day job versus futures. I know, right? Yeah, $200 a day for you, Joe, versus making $2,000 a day in futures. Huge difference for you. Huge difference. Huge difference. BTCT held pretty strong with this morning sell off market wide. Yeah, let me take a look actually because I don't think I've looked at that today. BTCT. Um, it's actually been holding $17 for the last. Like if you even yesterday too, $17 ish was the bottom, right? So yeah, if I know you're looking at 20 there. 20 would be a good level to get back above, right? But it's done a good job holding 17. So as long as it stays above 17, non-financial advice, that's a good thing. That is a good thing. And SPPL got rejected. Rejected. I went to get a massage the other day, right? Was it the other day? I don't know when that was. Because my like my back. Anyways, uh, yeah, you could feel the pain, and then the lady was like, "Oh Lord," like as soon as she felt my back, she was like, "So really, you're gonna make me work for my money today, huh?" Like, well, oh my goodness, I need to stretch more. I need to get more massages because yeah. Did you ask for the food deal? No, I just wanted my back. And no, 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 no. I don't. I think it's for people touching me in places. Just I thought this lady was gonna kill me. I thought this lady was really gonna kill me. The way she was squeezing my neck, like like the top of my neck. I'm like, oh my goodness. I know, like my muscles are tight, but damn, but damn. So the and still didn't hang on the edge. Unbelievable. Like my neck beside my head. Not even that the like this neck right here, virus. This is why I don't tell you guys stories. This is why I don't tell you guys stories, because you guys are wild. Uh, the can of worm is open now. See what I mean, Jay? This is why I don't tell stories. Unbelievable. You know, like when I was filling out the information thing, right? They're like, okay, what type of massage do you want? Right? I'm like, I want a relaxing massage, you know. Um, like they're like, how firm do you want the touch? I'm like, I don't want a firm touch, like a light touch. Like 2 minutes into the massage, I was ready to leave. I was ready to leave already. I was ready to leave because it was painful. No, it just anyways, unbelievable. You guys are crazy. Unbelievable. No more stories for you guys. No, it was actually painful. It's because like I don't I never get them. I never stretch. None of that stuff. Yeah. So my muscles are tight, very very tight. The S&P is about to hit new lows of the day. Did you short that thing again, Rob? Yeah, new lows of the day for SPY. So SPY is gonna get entered. Uh, give me 85 and you'll be done for the day. Yeah. We just hit new lows of the day for the S&P. SPY is getting destroyed today. Oof. Yeah, give us 85s and then we can buy more dipskis. More dipskis. And then if it breaks above 85 and then your next level is 80, if we break below that, then the 200 EMAs are at 576. 576. So maybe by Monday we're gonna be at 576. Microsoft, yeah. Everything is getting slapped. Slapped. Trending down but being very careful. Yeah. And Sunny, I know, right? I wish I could stretch like that, Sunny. Then I wouldn't be anyways. Uh, it does. Okay. The hot tub. Okay. Maybe that's something I need to start going to, because the gym has a hot tub. You can work out, shower, and then, or just you can work out and then chill in the hot tub. There's also a sauna in there, which yeah, I work out and I'm like, okay, time to leave. So maybe I need to start going, into just relaxing in there, and you use them all, yeah, and a cold plunge. Am I in the right channel? Yes, you are. This is what happens when the market is rubbish. Yeah, exactly. Virus. Yeah, you can massage your neck. uh, Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Yeah, this market. Yeah, pre-market was way nicer than this. Way nicer than this. Maybe people are getting ready for Thanksgiving. It's you know next week is a short week. So was this week. It's the weekend. Yeah, I bet all of those factors play a part. So the only stock pumping is Palantir. Did you get into your long term position Palantir, Jericho? Yep, there goes the crash for SPPL, right? So by the way, Grim, very nice exit, very nice exit, right? So double top, and we talked about this all day yesterday, right? Like sometimes when you sit at the double top like that, just take the gains. Sometimes when you see resistance, take the monies and move on. Otherwise, you're gonna be crying, right? Especially when nothing wants to go boom skis. Yeah, very nice, very nice. Thanksgiving, the week after next, November 28th. Why do I keep confusing that then? Hmm. Thank you, Dan. So not next week, then the week after. Thank you, thank you. Uh, Interesting. No, we had the Canadian Thanksgiving like a month ago. Like a month ago, with the new CEO Spencer HNST. Let me take a look. So your last hope here for SPPL though is the 200 EMA, so $1.35. So maybe watch that level. The Honest Company, that actually does look nice, slow and steady, right? Slow and steady. Hmm. Yeah, it does look really good actually, right? Consolidation of 340, 350 with the 200 sitting there, and the breakout at 450. Very nice. Are you in this one, Spencer? I hope you are, because that looks good. Uh, yeah, the next thrust stream, virus. You are well done. Congrats. Yeah, that looks really good. Is that what is that? 52-week highs, right? Yeah. This stock was so much higher, so much higher. It looked like. Yeah, they IPO'd and went to $24, and then straight to the abyss. Hmm. Good turnaround. SMCI has been garbage. I think should still be below $20, right? Yep. Sheesh, what a nasty stock. My goodness. Oh lordy. How do you go from a? How do you go from? Anyways, how do you go from a? How do you go from a stock like that to a stock like this? You know, hot to this. Yeah, peanut. Yeah, peanut is done really well. Don't say too peanut too loudly because Rob is gonna be sad in the chat. CYCN. Getting some volume, looking for an entry, Nikolai. Yes. Yeah, that's some really good volume. They have earnings today. It says. Huh. Yeah, that's a bit scary if they actually do have earnings today. Hmm. Yeah, this isn't amazing anymore because again, you have support down there, you have resistance at the 200, right? And now you're sitting in the middle. So that's 50-50, Nikolai. 50-50. This one's hard. Money laundering. uh, your chart looks like that. I think it's because you're looking at a different time frame. Yeah, you're looking at the 1 minute. You're looking at the 1 minute. And either or, though, you're still sitting in the middle, Nikolai, right? If I was interested in something like this, I'd wait for a break above $2.30, and then don't let it go below 220, and you're okay. Alrighty, that's what I would do. So it has support at 215 ish, right? So if you want to let it drop closer to that level, maybe that's better. 215 to 210, or break above 230 and then a tight stop loss. It's made for red days, not thrust days. Okay. Let's see. Did you post it? Yeah, let me go get it. Let's see these virus beats, guys. Application. Wait, what? Virus made country beats,
Walking
guys.
down the street, and everything in sight. So high I can see the light. Dear Lord, don't let me fight. Fear doesn't make you rich. Stop being a little bitch. Trust the day and night, even in the middle of a flight. You only die once, so take the risk and go. Stop whining about these dips. You're sounding like a little hoe.
Oh my goodness.
Walking up the street, trusting everything in sight.
Like virus says Dev, like he didn't know that this was coming.
Trusting everything in sight.
Oh my goodness. I know, right, Rob? I thought you knew. Unbelievable. I like the vibes though. It's good vibes. Wait, how's that playing on my Spotify? My goodness. Uh, someone hit the. Yeah. Nikolai, this looks like it's curling up, isn't it? Just make sure that it stays above the kernel if you're in it, Nikolai. Alrighty. Just make sure that it stays above, and you should be okay. Let's see. Let's see. Is SPY gonna keep crashing, guys, or is it time to buy more dips? More dips, guys. We've been preconditioned to buy dips, huh? But the S&P is gonna get slapped. That's when you know. That's when you know the market's gonna get slapped. Is when everybody wants to buy the dipskis. That's when we're gonna hit lows. Let's go, virus. You position 30 cents. Stop loss still the same. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. Grim. TFFP. 210. Looking for a break, and spread is bad. Yeah, the volume isn't amazing, but not amazing volume. I'm tempted to buy more SPY dips, guys. Anybody want to stop me? Come on, Rob. Hold me before I buy more SPY dips. Wait, 415. Okay. Yeah, that thing is garbage at this point. Too many halts. Nothing to see. At the 200 grim. Yep, as long as it stays above. As long as it stays above. Yeah. See, that was a dip to buy, huh? That was the dip to buy. So virus. I posted when it comes to like long term stuff, I really don't like buying individual names. Like the Nvidias and the whatnots. I don't like buying individual names. Yes, the upside is quite nice. Um, yeah. Why are you gay? um, but I just like buying an umbrella. Like I just like doing the ETFs instead. So if I like Nvidia, and then I'm gonna go find an ETF that has a lot of Nvidia, right? Um, just in case, just in case, the problem, the reason for that too is because I don't want to be rebalancing in a year. Let's say Nvidia's garbage, right? There's a new AI shiny toy. I don't want to be like, oh my goodness, now I need to go rebalance, and I just want them to do it and take it out. So that's kind of the goal there. So yeah. But yeah, so I posted like everything that I hold long term wise virus in the long term channel. So if you go to the long term channel, scroll up a little bit. It's right. It's right. It's almost at the very bottom there. uh, why are you gay, virus? Why? What time is it, Cam? Let's do 10 more minutes, 15 more minutes, guys, and then we can hop off and go back to this one. Uh, uh, okay. So when the market crashes, I'm gonna go. Virus is gonna find me on the streets because the market's gonna get slapped at some point. Christian, can you look at BE and give me some support and resistance levels? Okay, yeah. BE, as in like Bloom Energy. Oh yeah, 49% today. Why did they cure cancer or something? Are you already in this stock, Christian? Let me know. I think you asked about this one last week, actually. It's a pretty good push. Wow. Your next obvious resistance would be $20 and then 22.50 after that. Yeah. So 20 and then 22.50. In terms of support, I almost want to know if you're in the position because then it's easier that way. You're in at 11. Oh yeah, you can basically, Christian. Honestly, like, yeah, 18 would be your next major level. 18 support, right? You can basically just close your eyes and put a stop loss wherever you want at this point. Really good entry though. Congratulations. Wow, nice. Very very nice. Very very nice. $11. Anything else you guys are looking at? Anybody buying like long-term dips? Anything else, or just kind of waiting for just kind of watching for now, looking for swings? Anybody buying the Bitcoin dip? Yeah, what? Um, Dang, 3 miles, huh? Okay, interesting. Mm, Okay, let me go back. BTCT. Yeah, it's actually a very good breakout. Huh. If that thing ever breaks $26 again, BTCT, oof, it's going to $30 immediately. Immediately. AMD, MU, and NVDA. Okay. Uh, Non-financial advice. Yeah, no, you have a really nice position. It was a really nice dip. Anytime this thing has been close to $17, it has bounced. So yeah, it's a very good shout from you. And then $21 resistance. I know, right, Yogi? Yeah, the Bitcoin dip 89. Oh my goodness. Uh, yeah. I think at this point, honestly, the biggest dip you're gonna get is to the low 70s for Bitcoin after losing before. Okay, just give me a time machine. I know, right? I know. Yep, yep, yep. Yeah, I know. I was looking at some of the some of the positions in my in the account that I hold Bitcoin in, and like that specific Bitcoin position is up like 80%, 70 to 80%. And then I look at everything else that I put more money in, it's like, oh, 13%, 15%. I'm like, you know what? I wish I put more monies in this. Just give me a time machine. Begins Monday. Let's go, Grim. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Have a wonderful rest of the day, Grim. Well, good night already. Sleep well. Have a wonderful weekend, and see you on Monday. Bright and early, ready to cook all day long, Grim. Hopefully it's a fun week. It should be. This week was a short week, so hopefully next week, with it being a full week, it's a lot nicer. You know? Yeah. Uh, yeah. Mm. On in that stock, now you're up everything plus. Yeah. No, non-financial advice. That's amazing. Congratulations. Let's go, Grim. Enjoy your final weekend of peace. After this, violence every single day, every night. Yeah, non-financial advice. Come join us in Discord. Become a member. Come join us. Come join us. Well, since you guys didn't want to stop me, I bought more spy dipskis. Nobody wanted to stop me. It was on virus, but virus is useless. So, uh, well done, well done, well done. Buy more. You did the same, Jericho? Yes. Well, now they're gonna crash at Jericho. Now they now no, same though, same. Yeah, usually when I say spy, I usually mean something like that anyways, Jericho, right? Like a version of it, right? A copycat. A copycat. Exactly, Trev. Exactly. 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 Is less than it is. It's like 0.07 or something, 0.08, 0.09. One of those three. So that's way better, right? So perfect. As long as your dollar cost averaging like very slowly, like every time we have a major dip, like it has to be a major dip, like over 1%, then yeah, then it's a nice dip to buy. Only on red days. Only on the red days. On the green days, you just sit back and watch. Let me see if there's anything else that we like here. Very interesting, actually. Very interesting. Too bad ARM is not in the ETF. Yeah, the only ones you could do are you could do like a you could do like the QQQ, or you could do like VUG, but those have like NVIDIA. I don't think ARM is in anything. It's too new, I think. Yeah, too new. Out of ES, what a roller coaster. Well done, Troy. Well done. Well done, skis. $800. I like how you say it as if, that's a pretty good day, right? $800 day. Very good. Nikolai, hopefully you stayed away from this thing because it came all the way back down again. All the way back down. Yeah, seven more minutes, guys, and then we're gonna hop off and go back to Discord. Alrighty, so let me know if you have any last questions. Again, don't forget to smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbot and come join us. Good, Nikolai, good. You're leaving in 6? Dan, very useless. Very, very useless. Very useless. Exactly, Troy. Oh, that makes sense. No, my neck is okay. My neck is okay. Unbelievable. Uh, Above 20 into the weekend with Bitcoin strength. Let me take a look. Let me look at BTC here first. Yeah, because Bitcoin has actually done way better than the S&P. I feel like the S&P weakness is the only thing that's dragging Bitcoin down. So, which is a good thing, right? If you're thinking about Mara, um, actually, yeah, that Mara chart looks very similar to Bitcoin. It like I would have I think I would have I'd be more inclined to say yes if you're getting in closer to $20 because that's easier to manage. Jay, music is loud. So the closer you are to $20, the better, right? This would have been way better off $20. Now that it's almost at 21, I think then you're asking for uh, asking for a bit of chaos. But yeah, I like everything you said about it going into the weekend. So if that thing was closer to $20, I'd say yes, especially since Bitcoin is doing what it's doing. You're just looking at Mara after a bounce like that. So maybe if you can get a sell off closer to $20, that might be good for you, especially if we hold $20 and bounce into the weekend. Time to de-stress from screens. Stay green, everybody. Thank you, Troy. Have a wonderful weekend. Alrighty, and see you Monday, or if we do a class over the weekend. Alrighty. Maybe yeah. Have a great weekend as well, Jay. See you in Discord. Oh yeah. The fight tonight. Yeah, the fight tonight. Yeah, I think we need to find a way to watch it together. That would be fun. It would be fun. If anything though, I think we're gonna be in like hangout general, guys. Chatting about it. You know. What time is the fight? I think it is. What time is it again, guys? Let me check Netflix. It should be like on the main. I'm surprised that's not the main thing on their like on Netflix homepage today. Um, 8 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, here you go. Thank you. Harry, have a wonderful weekend as well. Have a wonderful weekend. Starts at 8 p.m. Eastern time. So I would after the really it really Raven. Oh wow, it's a damn long time. Sheesh. Yeah, Palantir is an absolute monster, guys. Absolute monster. Just new all-time highs again. Look at this. Look at this. Since we hit this bottom at 41, really, most daily candles have been green, right? Even the red candle that we've had came with a lot of buying pressure, so then it ended up going right back up again. Yeah, I thought there was only one pre-fight. Yeah, with the two ladies, right? Stupid birthday. Uh, Dan, you're lucky I don't have your wife's number. Otherwise, I would have blackmail proof because you don't want to go out with your wife and celebrate her stupid birthday. You're very lucky. Otherwise, every time you said something, I would bring this up. Dan doesn't want to go to your birthday and celebrate you, you know? Unbelievable. He wants to watch stupid two men fight instead. Rematch. Yeah, the rematch of like yeah, the two ladies. Max profit. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Okay. You have a big mouth. Yes. Yes, yes, Dan. Yes, yes, yes. Let's go, Jeff. I know, right? That stupid stock, huh? 80 GM. Yeah. Jeff, I told you, like, any signs of weakness, honestly, yeah, throw it in the garbage. And honestly, like, that thing really tried in the morning. It just has so much resistance, right? You know, almost 380 in the morning. That and then now it seems to have like new support closer to $3, but still, yeah. This is another example of honestly like another example of when a stock is constantly hitting resistance, just close the position because this thing just kept failing at $4, right? Twice yesterday, and then in after hours at 390, and then so much supply up there, Jeff. I don't remember. I don't remember. I think the difference between drug and this one is like the float for drug was like half of it. Three fights. Oh, okay. Thank you, Raven. So then the two ladies, and then these two random dudes. Oh, and then the other two ladies. Should be fun though to watch. Yeah. So there's weakness there. Jericho, you up ice cream money's on SPY now. Ice cream money's time to sell and go celebrate for the weekend. I'm kidding. Time to sell. Absolutely, absolutely, Dan. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Right, Mike? Uh Against the journeyman. Uh yeah, Raven. Yeah. Have a wonderful weekend, Pyro. See you in Discord. See you in Discord. Do any last questions, guys, before we hop off? Any last questions? Uh, Spy put. Google. You're looking for calls, aren't you? That's 65. 73. So 173.65 needs to be broken, and then it's 170. 174 after that. So yes, but it also needs to break that little downtrend that it's formed. Jericho. Watching movies. Need a day. Yeah, Raven. I agree. I agree. Jeff, enjoy hockey. Have a wonderful weekend. Much love, Dan. Have a wonderful weekend. Don't give back your gains. Absolutely. Alrighty, Dan. See you. See you in Discord. Let's see more blood. No, we just bought the dipskis. We want to see it pump. Actually, no, if we crash more, then we're just gonna have to buy more dipskis. If you're gonna dip another 5%. Like quickly though. Don't take too much time, official. Have a wonderful weekend, Jericho. Alrighty, see you in Discord. See you in Discord. Ready? Have a wonderful weekend, everybody. Be safe. Try not to give the gains back, or just be safe today because it's the weekend and lots of pump and dumps. Ready? And hopefully something can show up later that is fun. There goes dipping Jericho, right? So there's a bit of a downtrend there. It's 173.65. So it's going to need to close above that. Any miners that are beat down? Um, no. There is one BMNR, but it's not listed on like an exchange. So that's a yes and no. You're looking for swings? Yeah. I'll take a look in Discord. Yeah, because going into the weekend, it might be nice to if Bitcoin can cook. Yeah. Have a wonderful weekend, Azul. Make sure you take those GME monies. You're welcome, Azul. You are welcome. Have a wonderful weekend. I hope it's not Raven. It's gonna be fun. So yeah, we're gonna be in what channel, guys? Hangout General. Yeah, we can chat and Hangout General tonight when we're watching the fight. That's if we're not, like watching it together on like a voice channel or something. You missed it, Jeff. You missed it. Yeah, missed it. There goes the dip, Jericho. You can taste the blood? No. Alrighty, y'all. Again, be safe. Have a wonderful weekend. Much love. Thank you all very much for the support. And I'll see you guys in Discord. Alrighty. Bye, guys. Bite side. Hopefully not. Hopefully not non-financial advice. And if you become a member, guys, if you want to join us in Discord and you become a member over the weekend, just send me an email, HotRateX, and I'll send you an invite. Raven, really? Oh, yeah. Yeah, we'll see. We will see. Okay, bye, guys. Alrighty. Bye bye.